My update this morning is with regard to the ongoing matter of the awaiting period for the offences that I've experienced to be addressed and the ongoing offences that are occurring that shouldn't be left unaddressed. So this matter that I'm just checking in on with regard to the issue of the effects of hate crime and treason in society and its impact on the human condition and the political forums and sociological forums and the cultural forums is highlighting that the obstructions of justice, the exacerbation of offences, and the wrongdoings and their consequences being avoided are very unhelpful to progress. So, as I have played a pivotal role in legislation and as a law abiding citizen living privately on my own, this matter is highly intolerable. It's very insulting to the pillars of society that respect humanity, and it's an insult to the work that I have conducted in society also. So, as a law abiding citizen of a clean track record, it's really unfathomable that this circumstance is occurring, and it just highlights the impact that culprits of hate crime and treason have on the agencies of society, and it also brings to question their motives, which I am fully aware of being as a debilitating moral objective for these culprits. They are getting gratification for insulting the Constitution, and they are getting gratification for insulting the Declaration of Human Rights. So it's a huge concern that a property owner, married mother, humanitarian, sacred royal, etc., is being obstructed from her rights to facilitate or to help achieve the egotistical gratification of culprits that have stolen from my accomplishments and achievements and my entitlements. So that's highly insulting and injurious to self-respecting practitioners, politicians and professionals. So this matter is just to highlight also the matter of false reporting that is occurring, and the issue of individuals, of defamation and disinformation, relaying falsehoods about a 4-year saga that has extended back to 2006 and that they are exacerbating. So, as a European citizen of a clean track record and of legislation and of royal lineage, I hope that this highlights to the politicians, practitioners, and the professionals that are aware of this matter how injurious and insulting it is for family, ancestry, and society, and the agencies of society that have been a part of this matter that is highly insulting to modern day democracy and humanitarianism. So that's as much as I need to say today for now, and it's just an update that this 3 or 4 year saga of disinformation and the culprits monopolising a situation to help themselves to my entitlements and my fortunes, etc., is a disservice to society during this period of history, world history. So I'd appreciate the relevant agencies acknowledging the reparations and such amends that I'm due, and the wrongdoings that are required to be corrected, especially the slander and defamation of my character, reputation and good name, and especially with regard to my role in legislation in the past 2 years. So those that have been abusing their positions have unfortunately set a bad standard and a bad example to aspiring professionals or politicians or practitioners. So that's as much as is required to say at the moment. and I'm still awaiting for amends and my child in my care and the individuals trespassing on my farm holdings to be excused from where they're trespassing and removed also.